changing things from being reactive to proactive, right? Like the cleanup is like very reactive. Like we know this is happening. We gotta like fix it for what we're trying to do. It's a quick fix. And then the proactive stuff tends to have a much heavier lift, right? There's got to be a whole initiative around it. How do you justify that to somebody from a financial perspective and say, like, we're about to spend people time and money and potentially tooling budgets on reducing this, and here's the implication that's going to have on our business?
Yeah. So back to those grassroots, we leveraged them quite a bit because they were the ones that were having that pain, right? And so working with them to better understand how the reduction would impact them. I've been very, very fortunate that everything is not just about saving money or making revenue. It is about efficiency for us. So how do we do things more efficiently, right? Cleanup efforts is not efficient. People spending time trying to figure out between 2 or 3 records, which is the right record, not a good use of people's time. So, and it also mitigates risk for us on an ongoing basis. And it really does start to improve the customer experience. So we grounded on, and I think you even had in the notification about today, the 4 pillars that we focus on, which is around that improving customer experience, growing and retaining revenues, driving efficiency as opposed to pure cost cutting. And third is around ongoing managing our risk. And so by sort of highlighting the need for this really good customer file that people can depend on and use throughout the bank that doesn't have things like duplicates and that sort of thing, does make a difference. And so our executives were more likely to buy into it because they've already heard the complaining from that grassroots level. So it was actually pretty easy. The challenging part is how slow it moves, right? Because I can try and do cleanup, but if I try to stop the duplicates from getting created, you actually have to peel the onion pretty far in to figure out what that root cause is and then put the solution against it. And then move on to the next one and peel and solve. And so it's not like you solve all of the challenges at the same time. You're sort of doing them incrementally